Imagine a world where every little item you buy or every online purchase you make is visible to anyone who cares to look. It's basically like living in the Big Brother reality show, however, where only your financial life is broadcast to the world. You see, privacy coins, they can change that narrative because they are using an advanced tech like zero-knowledge proofs, ring signatures, and stealth addresses in order to ensure that your transactions remain your private business. And as the demand for financial privacy continues to grow, several privacy coins have emerged, and we want to share with you the best coins from this specialized category of cryptocurrency designed with the primary objective of ensuring the privacy and anonymity of users and their transactions. Now, just in case that you're new to crypto, then let me start off with the obvious. Get yourself educated as fast as possible because this market is poised to take off. And it is truly with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you with top quality projects. So do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and join the live streams when they are on so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I am a real investor. As the demand for financial privacy continues to grow and several privacy coins have emerged, each employing unique technologies in order to ensure the confidentiality of every transaction. And these coins are designed to offer anonymity and untraceability, making them appealing to users who prioritize privacy. So in today's video, we're going to talk about 5 privacy coins, and then maybe one of them is for you in case you're looking for privacy. The first one is Monero. Monero, with the ticker XMR, is from my point of view the undisputed king of privacy-focused cryptocurrencies. Launched in 2014, it has established itself as the most private, secure, and untraceable digital currency available. Monero's advanced privacy features make it virtually impossible to trace transactions or connect them to individual users. You see, unlike other privacy coins offering optional anonymity, Monero mandates privacy protections for all transactions by default, solidifying its position as the premier choice for those seeking the utmost privacy in their digital transactions. So how does Monero do its magic? Well, first, ring signatures. These obscure the sender's identity by mixing the user's account keys with others, creating a ring of possible signers, and this makes it nearly impossible to identify the actual sender. Next, stealth addresses. Monero generates a unique one-time address for each incoming transaction, hiding the receiver's identity and making it impossible to link transactions to the wallet's actual address. And finally, ring confidential transactions, also known as ring CT. This hides transaction amounts as well as sender and receiver identities using the Peterson commitments and range proofs to verify transactions amounts without revealing actual values. And now let's look at the price. The live Monero price today is trading at $161, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 30 with a live market cap of almost 3 billion. So it's one of the big boys. Trading, however, still at 68% below its all-time high, which was recorded on May 7th, 2021. The second coin is Zcash. Launched in 2016 by scientists from MIT, Johns Hopkins, and other prestigious institutions, Zcash was built on Bitcoin's original codebase but introduced advanced cryptographic techniques in order to enhance transaction privacy. Now, unlike Monero, where privacy is mandatory, Zcash gives users the flexibility to choose between shielded and transparent transactions based on their needs. And here are the privacy-enhancing technologies Zcash employs. Now, the first one is ZK snarks. So you see, Zcash utilizes zero-knowledge snarks in order to enable shielded transactions. And this cryptographic method allows one party to prove to another that a statement is true without revealing any information beyond the validity of the statement. Shielded transactions can be fully encrypted on the blockchain, providing robust privacy. Shielded and transparent transactions. So Zcash offers users the option to send both shielded, private, or transparent public transactions. Now, transparent transactions function similarly to Bitcoin, where transaction details are visible on the blockchain. In contrast, shielded transactions encrypt the sender, receiver, and amount in order to ensure complete privacy. Zcash with the ticker ZEC traded today at $30.54, currently ranked number 126 with a live market cap of almost 500 million. Trading at, and listen to this, 99.48% below its all-time high, which was recorded on October 29th, 2016. This could very potentially, I wouldn't bet grandma on this, but it could potentially generate more than 10,000% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. Third coin is the Secret Network coin. You see, Secret Network is a blockchain protocol designed to enable privacy-preserving smart contracts. Launched in 2020, Secret Network allows developers to build decentralized applications that can handle encrypted data, ensuring that both the inputs and the outputs of computations remain confidential. Secret Network users have the ability to generate viewing keys that can be shared with third parties, such as auditors or explorers, in order to selectively grant access to specific data. This feature empowers users with control over their data privacy. Secret Network is built using the Cosmos SDK and supports the inter-blockchain communication protocol, and this allows it to interact seamlessly with other blockchains in the Cosmos ecosystem, enhancing its utility and integration potential. And here's how it enhances privacy. Secret contracts. These are private by default smart contracts where the input, output, and state are all encrypted. This ensures that sensitive data processed within the contracts remains confidential unless access is explicitly granted. Trusted execution environments, also known as TEEs. You see, Secret Network nodes use TEEs, which function as secure enclaves. And these environments process data while keeping it hidden from the node operators themselves, ensuring robust privacy protection during computation. The SCRT token traded today at around 0.27 cent, currently ranked number 430 with a live market cap of almost 80 million, trading at 97% below its all-time high, which was recorded on October 28, 2021. So this could potentially generate more than 3,600% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. Number 4 is Oasis Network. You see, Oasis Network is designed to support scalable and confidential decentralized applications. Launched in 2018, Oasis aims to provide high throughput and low latency through its architecture, which separates consensus and execution into two distinct layers. The consensus layer and the paratime layer. This design allows for parallel execution of transactions across multiple paratimes, enhancing the network scalability and efficiency. Now, another key feature is data tokenization. Oasis enables users to tokenize their data, maintaining control over their information while selectively sharing it. Users, they can therefore earn rewards by staking their data with applications that wish to analyze it, introducing a completely new model of data monetization. Oasis also supports interoperability with other blockchains through the inter-blockchain communication (IBC) protocol, and this capability allows Oasis to integrate seamlessly with the broader Cosmos ecosystem and other blockchain networks. Like Secret Network, Oasis uses two main privacy-enhancing technologies: confidential smart contracts, known as secret contracts, in order to ensure that data is encrypted and private during processing, and trusted execution environments, the TEEs, in order to safeguard data during computation. Rose traded today at 9 cents on the dollar and currently ranked number 106 with a live market cap of more than 600 million, trading at 84% below its all-time high, which was recorded on January the 15th, 2022. The fifth and final coin is Dash, and Dash is a digital currency designed for fast, low-cost transactions globally. Dash is actually also the oldest coin. Launched in 2014, Dash was initially based on Bitcoin's codebase, but has since evolved to include several unique features aimed at enhancing speed and privacy. The primary goal of Dash is to make digital cash accessible to everyone, offering a user-friendly and scalable payment solution. Dash's private send feature allows users to mix their transactions with others, making it difficult to trace the origin of funds. Private send uses a coin mixing service that anonymizes transactions by blending them with multiple others, ensuring the privacy of the transaction's source. Dash also enables near-instant transactions using its masternode network. Transactions are confirmed within 1 to 2 seconds, making it ideal for everyday purchases and time-sensitive payments. And this is achieved by logging the inputs of the transaction in the masternode network, preventing double spending. Dash traded today at $27, currently ranked number 166 with a live market cap of more than 300 million. However, trading at 98% below its all-time high, which was recorded on December 20th, 2017. So this could potentially generate more than 5,000% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. As you venture further into the crypto world, the crypto jungle, remember that privacy is not just about hiding. It's also about protecting your freedom and rights in a digital age where surveillance is becoming the norm. So whether you are a seasoned crypto enthusiast or investor or just starting out, privacy coins offer a fascinating glimpse into the future of digital finance, where your financial privacy is hopefully guarded. Now that's all I got to say about that. In case you know a privacy coin that you believe is the market leader of tomorrow, then let me know. Otherwise, stay safe, stay home, don't think it can cause depression, and don't forget Kitty, she loves you.